Hello everyone, it's NADI, and today we'll be testing out the new Violet Voss, the Rainbow Shadow Palette. As you fabulous people know, this is about the product, not the people behind it. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away, because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. So, I got this little bitch straight from Sephora.com. I think it was $30, and when I ordered it, for some reason, I had no fucking idea that it was just a shimmer palette. Or at least a mostly shimmer palette. I think there's two mattes in this, and one of them has glitter in it. That's not a big issue for me, because it looks gorgeous as fuck, but just know that this is probably gonna be more like a supplemental palette, rather than like a one-and-done palette. I'm on the Sephora website, and this actually has really good reviews. It has 4.7 stars out of 5. That is really fucking impressive. The only person to give it a 1-star review said that the colors are indeed beautiful, but the quality is kind of shit. They say they've tried this several times with their normal primer, but after just a couple hours, the shadows break down and look streaky and just overall shitty. This next reviewer said pretty much the exact same thing, except they added that there was a little bit of patchiness in the black, and there was a fuck ton of fallout. But the good reviews are saying this palette is very bright and creamy and poppy, but if you don't want a lot of fallout, you should apply these with your finger or a setting spray, so I will definitely take note on that. Sephora says the shades in this palette are super pigmented, infused with jojoba oil, and easy to use. With all the colors of the rainbow plus an iridescent white and glittery black, you'll have the flexibility to create all the bold eye looks that you can possibly dream up. So I'm guessing I was wrong and there really aren't two mattes. It sounds like this is pretty much a shimmer palette. Whatever, that's still no big deal. Let's look at this palette. It is very pretty, but honestly, it's not very expensive looking at all. Like, it actually kind of looks like a fake, and I think it's just because of the font and the word placement. I don't know, it doesn't look luxe. I don't know that they really claim to be luxe, but for some reason I kind of always thought they were. And let's open this little bitch up and see what we're working with. Ooh, that's nice. It comes in its own little box. Let's take this little plastic sheet out. All right, here we go. Ooh, it's got a nice little magnetic closure. Fuck yes, Violet Voss, thank you. And oh shit, that is pretty. Oh my god, we are gonna have so much fucking fun with this. Oh, this color is everything I need in my life right now, and hopefully this color palette doesn't burn the fuck out of my eyes. It does have a nice big mirror on it, which I very much appreciate, but oh shit, I just wanna lick them for some reason. Ah, yes. And I do also love the fact that these pans are fucking huge. I mean, the bigger the better for pretty much everything, if you know what I mean. The only color of the rainbow that this palette is missing is orange, which I'm guessing is supposed to be this. That is not an orange. I mean, maybe it'll swatch orange, but to me it just looks more like a coppery bronze color. That does make this palette a little bit more user-friendly, but I do wish there was a really bright poppin' orange in here. But before we get into swatching this, I do want to note that this is cruelty-free. It's made without parabens, sulfates, or phthalates. However, it is a product of China, so if you're wanting something that's American-made, this is not it. Like a lot of cosmetics these days, this is distributed out of California, but it's still made in China. No matter though, I'm still excited as fuck to swatch and do a look with this bitch. You guys know the song. Are you ready? It's swatching time. First up, we have the top row, which is Flamingo, Peach, Buttercup, Seafoam, and Fiji, and holy shit, fuck me in the Denny's parking lot. These are so gorgeous, oh my god. But they are definitely very, very chunky with a shit ton of fallout, so I can see exactly what the reviewers were saying, but once you rub it around a bit, it blends out, and oh, this is what you're left with. I think so far my favorite is Fiji there on the end. It's blue, but it has like a purplish shift to it. Oh, it's stunning. And here we have the second row, Royal, Indigo, Violet, Pearl, and Eclipse. Oh my fucking god. These are so beautiful, and I know you really can't see Pearl, but it's white with this like goldish green shift to it, and that black, oh, it looks like the fucking night sky, you guys. I am in love with this, and I'm not playing it up at all. I legit love this. Those swatches we're so fucking good. No joke, this is one of those makeup palettes that I want next to me when I'm trying to get jiggy with somebody. Like, some people play romantic music to get in the mood. No, I surround myself with makeup and I want this right by me. And this, NADI, is why you have no friends. Anyways, after doing those swatches, I am really excited to do a look with this, so let's get started. For foundation today, I'm actually gonna mix my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow with my Givenchy. I'm sure some people are probably like, oh, bitch, what you doing combining those? But I've never combined them before, so I thought we'd give it a try. So let's do a few little squirts of that. And some of that. Oh my god, this is probably gonna be way too fucking yellow for me. Shit, that's why I don't use these anymore. Whatever, no different than literally any other day on here. I'm gonna go over that with a little bit of a lighter foundation. Maybe we can kind of even this shit out. This isn't even a damn foundation review. And now I look a little bit green. Whatever, we're gonna stay with this. I ended up lightening everything up with the ordinary foundation. And we'll conceal with a little bit of shippy tippy. And set the face with some powder. Oh my god, fucking Coty's Airspun is such a mess. Oh, damn. Every time I use this, I'm just as surprised with the smell. It's so strong. Why? Ugh. God. Jesus, take the fucking wheel. And because so many people said this has massive fallout, I'm just gonna place some more translucent powder right under there to catch any of that fallout. Oh my goodness, I fucking love my job. Like, I am still in awe that I get to wake up every morning and do this. I know this is so fucking random and irrelevant, but honey, do what you love and you will love life. Anyways, my eyes have been primed and set with translucent powder, and I really like the blue shades in this palette, so I think we're gonna do like a purpley icy blue look. So to start off, I'm gonna dip into the Morphe 35B palette and into this lavender color, and we're gonna start that right in the crease. So we'll start pretty low on the outer corner and work it in and then blend up. And I'm actually switching to a bigger, fluffier brush. I mean, I could make the smaller one work, but I would much rather have the bigger. But we're just gonna go back and forth and really blend the shit out of this. Oh my god, I love this color. Why the fuck don't we use this more often? Damn. Next, with that smaller brush we were using before, I'm gonna dip into this blue and mix it with the purple. And with this color, I'm only gonna focus it on the outer half. And then we'll lightly blend that out with that fluffy brush we were using before. Then let's lightly tap into this sky blue, and I'm just gonna dab it right on the outer corner. And we'll kind of work that into the purple. I know I do tend to put concealer on the eyes pretty often on this channel, but with this, I'm a little afraid that if I don't, there's just gonna be fallout everywhere. So I'm gonna take some concealer on a brush, and we're gonna place that right here on the inner corner about halfway in. And when we get to the center of the eye, I'm just gonna tap it out with my finger to blend the colors together. Next, I'm gonna spray a flat brush with a few pumps of Fix Plus. Oh, the choices. Let's start with a bit of a royal, and we'll place that right here on the outer corner. Oh, that's pretty. Poppy like. But I do notice that even with the damp brush, there is a bit of fallout and it's kind of staining the eye. Let's try to erase some of that with some translucent powder. I'm gonna give a new flat brush a few squirts. Oh, ugh. And I think we'll dip into Fiji. That color is just calling my name. And let's place that right about there, leaving the inner corner open. Oh, shit, that is a pretty ass color. Oh, damn, but let's kind of work that into the blue. And to really blend those two colors at the edge, I'm switching between brushes. And on yet another flat brush that is moistened with Fix Plus, we're gonna dip into Pearl and place that on the very inner corner of the eye. Actually, I don't like the way that looks at all. Like, it turned green, but like a really ugly olive green. So instead, let's put Seafoam there. That's a little bit better, but it's not as dramatic as I wanted it to be. Oh, honey, and that fallout, it is happening as fuck. Even with a wet brush, it is just coming off everywhere. And I have no idea if this will work or not, but I've soaked yet another flat brush in setting spray, and we're gonna dip into Violet. And let's also mix that with Indigo. And I'm gonna try to kind of cut the crease with this. Well, that was a fail. I still want that little pop of white in the inner corner, so I'm gonna take some of this white shimmer here. I have no idea who this is by. There's no name on the back, but it's shimmery and it's like a pearl. And we'll lightly dab that right here on the inner corner, and we'll bring that like a quarter of the way in. For the bottom lash, I'm gonna start by smoking out this blue and purple color combo, and a little bit of that teal. And for lower liner, I'm going in with this blue liner. It's by Prestige. It's in the shade Denim. For liner, I feel like white would probably look best, but unfortunately, I don't have a white liner on me right now, so we're just gonna use black. Before we finish everything up, I'm gonna take a little bit of Eclipse. It's the black shade, and run it right along the lash line very, very gently. For lips, I ended up using that blue liner that we used, and also mixing it with Kat Von D's. What the fuck is this? Poe? Yes, it's Poe. And I think just to give it a little extra oomph, I'm gonna lightly tap into Fiji and place it right here in the middle. Oh, fuck yes. I think I actually want my lips to be a tiny bit darker, so I'm taking a little bit of Royal right on the outer corners. And a little bit of highlighter. Ooh, shit, yes. And here we are with the final look, kind of a futuristic alien vibes going on, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of fucking love this palette. It did have a shit ton of fallout, and it was the kind of fallout that didn't really brush away, like it stained the skin. So that is a little bit of an issue, but if you place enough powder down to catch that fallout, you'd be totally okay. I can't really give my final verdict on this palette until we wear it, because there were so many people that said that over time this turned to shit. So let's go ahead and give this look a few hours and do a wear time test with it. I will see you in just a second. And we are back. It has been just over 4.5 hours, and I made the mistake of cleaning during the wait time test, which then led to me sneezing a bunch of times, which ultimately resulted in my eyes watering. So I am missing a little chunk of the makeup, but fortunately that really didn't affect these shadows at all. From what I can tell, other than normal wear and tear, this pretty much looks the exact same. I don't know if it's because I applied these with a setting spray or what, but I mean, these bitches seem pretty hardy. They're not like wearing off at all. They seem to be pretty fucking put in place. I know that other people had said that they just start to fade over time, but I don't see that at all. I really, really like this palette. I think the pigmentation is amazing. The color choices are great. The only issue that I have is with the fallout, which I can get over that. There is a little bit of blue fallout that's stuck to my nose that I just can't get off, so that does kind of piss me off. But overall, I am in love with this. For some reason, I just feel so shocked, and I don't know why. I think it's because it's been a long ass time since we've had a palette that I actually loved on here. But this is affordable. It's pigmented as fuck. You could create so many looks with this. I just cannot wait to keep using this little hoe. I'm not 100% positive, but I believe this is a limited edition palette, so if it is, I would definitely snatch one if you want it. I totally 150% recommend it. I think it's beautiful, and for the price, you get a shit ton of product. But overall, I deem this the shit. But there you go. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepopluxe.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at officialNADI, and you can follow me online at thepopluxe.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye.